So in terms of what does the future bring now we've attained platinum, it was really important for us, and we've had several meetings with the team, and actually now we've widened the team to involve supervisors, managers, senior managers and the senior leadership team. And actually everybody has bought into it because they're proud of what we've done, so they don't want to stop. We recognise that the platinum level with investors in people is as far as you can go. So us being a challenging organisation and one that wants to continue to improve, have come up with our own Starglaze Platinum Plus. So we're currently in the process of rolling that out to the team. As I said before, it's about a journey. The journey doesn't stop. We're never going to arrive at the destination. We're always going to be continuing to make tomorrow better than today.
And I don't think we could get away with stopping now anyway. We're in motion. Even when we were delivering the news to people that we got platinum, a lot of them were asking, great, so what are we going to do next?
Which was really encouraging to see, actually, because then that's when you really feel throughout the business that people know the journey that we're on. They know it doesn't stop. They know it's a cycle and we've got to keep going, and they're the first to ask, okay, so we've got the badge, what's now?